Alright, this is the video that I wanted to do of a walk around of the whole truck. Start up out front. This is, I haven't checked the number, but I am betting money that this is the original engine of this truck. It is locked up, unfortunately. Like this, we put sockets on it and everything, it ain't moving. But I mean, if it's any consolation, this still moves. There's a driver's side door. I have to fix the latch on this. It doesn't, well, I guess it does latch. Guess my grandpa fixed it. Cool. Doesn't close all the way though. AAA, City Auto. There's on the other side. CLR, scratch pads. Took the rust off, but left all the paint. Got rid of the flaky stuff for the most part. It's a lot smoother than what it was. Also, got all this stuff to move. It's like a brake. This doesn't work very good. I think it's broken or something. It's supposed to engage the brake on this gear, but it doesn't work great. Here's one of the new taillights I put on. Where the other old one went. This right here is one of the tow booms, otherwise known as something that you smack your head on every time you walk around the truck. Here's the other new one. This is the old one, one of the old ones. It's the same exact tail light. Found them on eBay, pretty cheap. The other boom broke off right here, but I have it, so there's that. Here's the other side. All the lights on top work. So I don't know about these brake lights up here. I haven't tested those, but they might work. I don't know. There's a mess in here, but I need a seat. If anybody knows where I can get one of them, that'd be nice. But almost everything else is here. Here's the rest of the motor. There's a heater. The original keys. I posted pictures of those. It's not one to focus very good. Well, I already have pictures of it. The original keys. We put these new steps on here, and we cut this big piece of steel that was sticking way out here because it's like perfect height to smack you right in the shin. This over here. This thing is, I can't get it open with one hand. No, it's not gonna open, but fuel tank's in there. It's like a big toolbox. Did bonk its head, but it gives it character that way. I got these all to move. These kind of move with some effort, but they're stuck still. The bed is relatively solid. I mean, I'll tell you, if you live in Ohio, this really isn't this bad for this old of a truck. Structurally, this truck is solid. Like, the body and everything is solid on this truck. It does have holes, but it's spent all of its life. Came from Detroit and went straight to Ohio, so I mean, it's a miracle it's in this good of shape. Here's the front brakes. We got them all apart. Need wheel cylinders, all that good stuff. What else? Here's the hood. This is actually a beacon light that they stuck on the front of here and welded, like bolted it on underneath. It was like welded on to a piece. You can probably see a bolt back here, and they bolted it on from underneath. I need to find another one of those teardrop amber lights. Need one of them lights. And I also need reverse lights. But that's really it for right now. Still been trying to unlock the engine, but just no much success yet. Well, I'll try to get another video up later. Hopefully here before the end of the month, in August, I can get this thing running. Maybe back on the road. We'll see. Thanks. Bye.